This is what checkout day looks like. All right, let's go out here and have us a little breakfast. Yes, sir. Here's the aftermath of all the mayhem. What a great stay. The Polynesian Tower is wonderful from a perspective of someone who loves the classic Polynesian. I cannot say they did a great job. I can't say anything. A few little disappointments. Magic bands didn't work here and there, but they fixed it, you know. And these lights, they're all together, so it's either everything off or nothing off, you know. That's the kind of couple criticisms I have. If you're cooking, it has so much space for cooking in a deluxe studio and countertops. It's fantastic. Bathroom was great, especially having a walk-in shower. I love that. Very big. And the standard view, I'm very happy with it. I know this may look a little unpleasant, but it's really not a bother in person, and it's only gonna look even better. So if you're thinking about staying here, stay here. Book it. Deluxe studio is huge. Living area is fantastic. Bigger than classic Polynesian living area. And we're gonna go to the Grand Floridian next, resort studio. So, and then the classic Polynesian. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hello. The Lava Rock Terrace view. Wow, it looks amazing from here. Wow. This is the best themed one, I think. It's just that is the view of the standard. Wow. Yeah, look at that. Wow. That's nice. That's so nice. I'll tell you, this is one of the reasons to book here for your first day coming to Disney World. Like, these are the best spots to hang out in while your room is getting ready, you know? Beautiful. The feeling of coming down to this music and this view is very nice. Hello. See how it feels to sit on one of these. Here we go. Here we go. There's the view. There's a wedding going on right now in Grand Floridian. There's the bride and groom. That's so cool. Beautiful. You know, from this angle, it's pretty nice. The pool area. Festival of the Arts 2025. They're giving the Ray Moon magnet. it is, the cheddar and chive scone with the smoked salmon and the little eggs on top. What was it called? Caviar and creme fraiche. Looks good. Tastes like a lox sandwich with a nice fresh cheddar scone. You know, like a cream. It's very good. Scrooge McDuck, table. Sunshine Seasons. All of these are snack credits. These are all snack credits too. Check it out, $8.49 each, and it comes with a drink. That's a great value. Possibly my favorite meal in, oh no, not in Epcot, Indianapolis, but this is amazing. I have to come back to get some more fish and chips, of course, in Epcot. Here's the chicken pot pie crust. Looks and smells amazing, and it's pretty heavy. Ooh, I like that crust. It's pretty good. Here's the Black Forest cake with the chantilly cream and some cherry inside. Looks good. That's really good. It's got some sour cherry in it, creamy chantilly, deep rich chocolate, a little dark chocolate coating. This is very good. Tonight we're dining at Shiki Sai in the Tokyo or Japan pavilion. We are getting a front window table for the fireworks. Beautiful.
Welcome to the Great Gathering.
Big Gatsby. Oh yeah, that's the veggie udon, skewers, rice, the golden Philadelphia roll. This is so good. Really good. Wow, that is so beautiful. Welcome to the Grand Floridian. It's the third leg of our journey. We are here for 3 nights. Beautiful. Smells amazing. Smells amazing in here. Wow. Beautiful. Every hotel has its beauty. Yep. Ah yes. Resort Studio. BBC Deluxe Studio. That beautiful pool. Resort Studio, standard view. Big Pine Key.
There you go.
Wow. All right, 9314. Oh my gosh. They put us in one of these deluxe tower resort studios. Oh man. Oh my God. Look at this room. Here's a bathroom in this room. Oh man. I booked a regular resort studio, standard view. with my DVC points. Oh my gosh. Look at this huge room they gave us. Oh my God. Got 2 TVs in here. This is not a suite even. I mean, I guess it is a suite, but oh my God, look at this painting. Mary Poppins. Wow. Oh, man. Yeah, we have a pool view, which is considered a standard view. I gotta do a tour in the morning. And then we have our balcony on the side here. Wow. Oh my God. I can't believe this. We got this room. We can even see the water. No way. No way. This is unbelievable. It's late, so I can't yell the way I want to. This is amazing. Mary Poppins. We have a fan up here. I can turn on the fan. We got some slippers. We got some robes. Luxurious. Oh, it's a jolly holiday with Mary. Mary makes the nun bright. 17 Cherry Tree Lane. When you are a herring ordinary. Let's see, what kind of view? You know, in the morning it's going to be more visible. But yeah, beautiful pool view. Look at this. I'm inside and I can see the water. During the day, it's going to look amazing. I'm inside. We got shutters here. Here's Johnny. I like the lighting, like, and you can adjust. Yeah, very nice.